In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Sheets on one page. If you've ever tried to print a spreadsheet and ended up with important columns spilling onto a second sheet, this quick walkthrough will help you keep everything together in a clean, single-page printout. Start with your Google Sheet open in your browser. To get to the print controls, open the Print menu. The fastest way is with your keyboard shortcut. Use Ctrl+P on many computers or Command+P on a Mac. You can also open the menu in the toolbar if you prefer clicking. Either way, you'll land in Google Sheets' Print Preview, where you can see exactly how your sheet will look on paper. Now focus on the scale setting. By default, Google Sheets tries to print at a normal scale, which often spreads content across multiple pages. Change scale to fit to page. This tells Google Sheets to automatically resize your content so that everything fits on a single sheet of paper. As soon as you select Fit to Page, look at the Preview panel. You should see the page count and layout update, confirming that it's condensed to one page. Next, check Orientation. If your spreadsheet has many columns, portrait orientation can feel a bit cramped. Switch orientation to landscape if necessary. Landscape gives you more horizontal space, which can make wide tables easier to read when everything is squeezed onto one page. Again, keep an eye on the preview as you toggle between portrait and landscape and choose the one that keeps your content most legible while still staying on that single page. A quick note about readability. Fit to Page does exactly what it promises, but if your sheet is very dense, the text can become small. That's expected when everything is compressed. Use the preview to make a judgment call. If the text looks comfortable to read, you're good to go. If it feels too tight, consider whether landscape helps enough. The goal is to balance fitting it all on one page with keeping it clear for anyone who needs to use it. That's really it. Open the Print menu, set scale to fit to page, and adjust orientation to landscape if necessary. With those settings in place, your Google Sheet will print neatly on a single page, saving paper and making your information easier to share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, one-page printouts every time.